I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the MailingBoss email templates and how to build your own templates in the system that you can use when you're creating your emails. So let's go ahead and check out the templates. I'm logged into MailingBoss. I'm on the home screen. And I'm just going to go to Menu, and then I'm going to go down to Templates, and then I'm going to choose My Templates. And you can see here that I've got a few templates in my system right now. And if I wanted to get some more, I could actually just go to the gallery. So if I go to Menu and Templates and then Gallery, there's a lot of templates that are available. There's pages and pages of templates. And each one of these templates, you can click on them to preview them. So on this first one, you can just click right here, and it will open up that template and show you exactly what that template looks like right now. And you can choose to use that one, or you can open up and take a look at another one and take a look at what it looks like and see if you'll be able to use that for your newsletter. And there's a lot to look at, a lot of different styles, a lot of different designs. And once you find one that you like, so let's say that we click on this one and we expand it, and that is exactly what we want. So we just go into that item and we click this item and we click import, and that's going to import it into our template area so we can start using it for our emails. So you can see it imported it right there. Now let's say that I decided I didn't like it and I didn't want it in my list. I can actually click the X and delete it. I can duplicate it, or I can go in and edit it to make it look just a little bit different. So as you can see, I've got many different styles of templates here to choose from in my template area. But what happens if you just don't see anything that you like and you want to build something from scratch? You can actually do that by clicking Create New. And that puts you into the editor that's exactly the same as the email editor. So you can go in here and grab text header, a text block, an image, buttons, 2 image blocks side by side. And however you want to design this, you can actually just pull those items over and drop them in, and then pull the next item over and drop it in. And you can pull images and drop them in. You can pull 2 images side by side. Now this works in blocks, so you'll be building blocks, so it's going to be stacking one on top of the other. And you can actually bring in any graphics that you want, text that you want. It actually works very easily. So you build it the way you want it, and then you click Save Changes. And you need to make sure that you have a name in there. And now what that does is that adds it to my list of templates that are available. So now if I go back to Menu and then go to Templates and My Templates, that template number 1 by Shelly, is now available. So I can choose to duplicate it if I want to. I can update it and edit if I want to. Or if I don't want any more, I can delete it. Now, how do I grab this and use this in an email? So let's go ahead and take a look, and we'll create an email together, and I'll show you how you can grab that template and actually use it. So I'm just going to go to Campaigns, and I'm going to go to All Emails, and I'm just going to create a new email from scratch. And right here, I'm going to put in some information, Test by Shelly. We're going to call it a regular email. For the list, I'm going to choose dog grooming, and we're not going to have any filters or anything, so I'm going to click Next. And then right here is the editor. This is where I normally start editing my email, but I've got a button right here that says Change Select Template. So if I click that button, it's going to give me all of the templates that I have in my template area, and I can choose which one I want to use. So I could choose this one that I just created or this one that I just imported. Let's go ahead and choose the one I imported. So I'm going to click Choose. And that's going to pull that template in for me. So as you can see, it pulled it in, and I can start editing. With this one, I've got a dynamic toolbar that I can use, so I can start editing right away. So it looks very different. It's the old style of editing. If you don't like that style, just click Change Select Template and choose the template you created using the regular email editor. You can click Choose, and it will switch out the template and put the new one in. And now you can start editing and changing the information and making it yours based on the design that you started with in the template. So once you're done with that, you just click Save and Next. Then you make sure everything is correct on campaign setup, including what the subject is. And then you click Save and Next. And then you choose what time and date this is going to go out. You can even send an email test to yourself to make sure you like the way the email looks. And then once you're done, you click Save and Activate, and your email is ready to go now that you've edited the email and got it set up the exact way you want it. So that's how you access the template area in MailingBoss, so you can create your own designs for your emails going out to your subscribers.